Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve the lead code problem 1448, count good nodes in binary tree. So the problem statement says that given a binary tree root, a node x in the tree is named good if the path from root to x there are no nodes with value greater than x. So the problem is asking us to return number of good nodes in the binary tree. So as you can see in this example one, they have highlighted these 4 nodes as a good node. So I again took the same example here. So I highlighted the red as a good node. So 3 is the root. It is a good node because there are no nodes before it which are greater than the value 3. Here if we traverse on the left side, again this 3 is also a good node because there are no nodes in the path with a value higher than 3. If we are going right side from the root like 3 to 4, again 4 is a good node because there are no values in the path which is more than 4, and 5 is also a good node because if we are going 3 to 4 to 5 there are no nodes in the path with value more than 5. So in this example there are 1 2 3 4 good nodes, so that's why the output is 4. So I just use a simple recursion to solve this problem as shown here. So I just wrote a recursive function where I am passing the root and I am passing the maximum value to the function, and the base case I have is if the root is null, we are just going to return. There is nothing we can do in that case. If root is not null, then we will check the root's value with the maximum value. So if root's value is greater than the maximum value we have, then we will just increment the good count and we will update the maximum value to the root's value because that is the maximum value we have seen so far. And after that we will go like we will recur on the left side and we will do recursion on the right side of the tree. So it's simple, like it will start with the node or start with the root node of the tree and it will go on the left side, and as well as it will go on the right side, and it will check if each node it encounters is a good node or not. So it will take, like for example here it will take maximum value as 3 and it will go on the left side. It will check with the one with the maximum value. It will see that 1 is less than the maximum value, so it will not count it as a good node. If it goes on the right side, it will check the value 3 with the value 4 of this node and it is less than the value 4, so it will count it as a good node. So that's how it's a simple solution. I kept a good count here and I'll keep updating the good count, and at the end after the recursion completes I'll just return the good count. So I have the two test cases, this example 1 and example 2 here. So let's quickly give it a run. Yeah, so it's passing the test cases. So let's just submit this code. So the code got accepted with 96% faster runtime, and so thanks for watching the video. If this solution is helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel and give me a like for this video. Thank you.